welcome to our mental maths class. My name is Chejaziri and I work for First Learning Consulting. So now, today I want to show you what you call osculation. Osculation is just to check on numbers whether they are divisible by other number. Okay, that's like whether they can be divided by a certain number without any remainder. So, our main focus now, we want to look at the osculation of 7. We want to check what shows that a number is then divisible by 7. So let's check the normal ones. For example, if you have 14. For you to osculate any number by 7, it's recommended that you use 5. So osculation for 7 is always 5. So in this case, we're going to say, so we have 14. So we're going to say 4 multiplied by 5 and then plus 1. Okay, and to find out what is the answer and whether we know that that number can easily be divided by 7. So this is just osculation. So this is going to be 20 plus 1. So we have 21. So in that case, if we know that 21, we know that 21 is divisible by. So as long as it gives us this one, that means 14 also is divisible by 7. Let's try another one. For example, if we have 35. So again, we're going to take this 5, multiply 5 by 5, and then later add 3. So you realize that this one will give us 28. And the thing is that, you may think, yeah, but that's really simple. The thing is that most osculations will only give you a number between, 7, 14, 28, and 21, only those 4. So if you try other numbers, for example, so this means, yeah, it's divisible by 7. So if you take a number like, let's say 70, or let's say 84, okay? So what you do here is, you multiply 5, multiply then by 4, and you're supposed to add an 8 later. So what happens, you realize that we are getting 828 as our answer. So that means osculation proof always lies between 28, 21, 14 and 7. If your answer is 7, that means it's true. It can be osculated, it's divisible by. So the best thing is, if you use that method, you can always check, and normally it lies among these numbers. So that is what you do. So I wanted to just show you how to use osculation, and you can always just detect a number. If it's not these numbers, 14, 18, 21 and 7, then you know that number is not completely divisible by 7. So this is another way of doing it, and thank you so much. So have a nice time.